Okay, this is one I think there may be an issue. When I worked in the legal field, we didn't leave all this space that it's showing right here. Okay, see, it shows here, I got that they put the period and the comma there. All right, but it didn't. This is weird to me that all this blank spot is here, but as you can see, I've typed it just like it says. Here, there may be edit stuff. Doesn't tell me up here to put any attorney name or any of that stuff in. So let's see what happens when I do check your work and see if we can correct any of it. Yeah, see, one missed space. So wherever that is. Okay, one incorrect punctuation. Ah, right here. See, there's one missed space. Put that in there. Alright, things. One extra character. Let's see, where does that say? One extra character. Substantiate. Let's substantiate. Oh, okay. Alright. So I missed an enter here. Something about a punctuation. Things. Oh, it should be colon. Right here. No S there. And one misprint. Alright, let's see what happens when I hit continue. It says correct. And then it says go to a different. So in this day, you'll put first of June 2020. Because I remember last semester we had an issue with one of these. Alright, and attorney's name. Alright, so we have all caps. Bar, B-A-R, B-A-R-A, Barbara M. Johnson. They say paragraph, Newton and Johnson. We had a lot of this printed, so we didn't have to keep adding this stuff. Attorney for defendants, Jonathan Movers, and Laurel Deliveries. Alright. Name with the text is shown. Okay, so we're going to check my work again. No errors. Continue. Says I have it correct, and I've completed everything. Okay, until incorrect answers. And I kind of told you that other one. So, good luck. So just submit this through Sam.